Hi everyone! Today we'll be making an origami watch. But before that, we'd like to take this opportunity to announce the opening of our Little Genius shop. While we'll still provide free templates like we always have, at the shop you'll be able to find premium templates and materials. These will help support the channel and allow us to continue to provide you with the best quality content that we can. Now let's get started! If you like the template used in today's video, feel free to download it from our website using the link below, where you will also find other great DIY crafts to try. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, click the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos, and we'll see you in the next one.